Guys, we're getting hail. We're getting hail and a lot of rain. A lot. It's still raining.
Now we'll call the insurance company and say we got
No! No! I know it's really bad. Not as bad as I got pee. Worse though. This is in Arkansas. I don't know how it got this bad, but it's hotter than hot. It's crazy. Well, I'm just giving you a heads up about weather of Arkansas. And it's